Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Here you go.
Go to Grandpa. Get your bear.
Ava. Ava. Hey, 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 hey. Over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's a bear for you. Little teddy bear for you. I just know it's off. She wants to mess with that electric plug.
Oh, yeah. I know it's usually closed, and she'll go over and try and figure it out, so I think she's fascinated that I have it open tonight.
Yeah.
Ava. Ava.
There you go.
Good. Take the bear to Grandpa.
Okay, bring it to me. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
You're so good. Oh, you're gonna be a little walker, aren't you?
She had something in both hands.
Yeah, she did.
Fooled her into thinking she was holding on to something.
She's got a route of travel now.
Okay, Ava, you gonna take it to Grandpa again?
Come on.
Take your bear to Grandpa.
Come on, let me see the bear. Let me see the bear. Can you bring it to me? No, put him on the table. Yeah, these are your balloons.
Uh-oh. Oops. Uh-oh.
Here. Yeah, we don't do that, do we?
No.
We've done that already.
I know, we need something heavier tied onto it. Maybe we should tie your bear onto the balloons, Ava. Thank you. The bear, are you covering the bear up?
Come on. Bring it here. Ava. Bring it to me. Come on. Come on. Wow. Ava.
She's standing there, isn't she?
The bear.
Oh.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. It's your bear. It's your bear. Oh, you think, huh? She's really going.
Yeah, I know.
She's really
She totally has walked him twice now, Adam, just on her own.
What?
She stood up and walked him on her own twice now. Ava, what do you have? Your card? What do you find in there?
Okay, you want me to keep having this bed? You there. Come here, come here. Walk to Mama.
Come here, Ava. Come on, walk to Mommy. Come on. Come on. Ava, Ava.
There you go. Walk to Mama. Some grizzly knee.
Where are you, Ava? Where are you? There you are. There you are.
Yep, that